This stream is brought to you by Jaritos.
I wish.
What if they wanted to sponsor you, Deja?
I'd take it. I'd turn my webcam on and drink one at the start of the stream every day. Have fucking cavities.
In case anyone's listening.
They watch your stream, they slowly see you gain weight over time on your stream.
Did C's just say we're at the top of the day again?
No.
No.
I said CCIV is at the top.
Look at yesterday, Deja, on stream real quick. Go to ES. Look at yesterday's candle.
Sorry, I was texting my girlfriend. What'd you say?
Go to, okay, real quick on stream so we can show everybody. Go to yesterday's daily candle.
Yep.
Look at, go to the 1 minute. I gotta find it. What was yesterday, the 24th? Look at the 1 minute candle.
He's going after Caesar.
Can't find it, man. Fuck it. It was.
What about me?
10:25 a.m. I think it was.
Your time or my time? I think it was my time.
My time, 10:25 a.m.
Now I'm lost. Hold on.
Yeah, I can't find the 1 minute. It's fucking me up. Oh, here, I found it. March 24th.
Oh, March 24th. I'm on the 25th.
Yeah, no, it was 10:08. 10:08. It was somewhere around there.
Oh yeah, here you go. 11:08. I got you. Yeah.
That's when C's called the top. Look at that candle. Now draw a line there. On stream, so everyone could see.
Where are we taking the line to?
Now back it out to like the 1 hour.
Oh, you mean like a horizontal line? Yep.
Yeah. Back it out to the 1 hour, and I'll go to current price. That's where C's called it.
Yep.
Like a boss.
How can I call it top when we just were higher than what that was?
No. We nuked after that.
No. This was, I'm saying yesterday, C's.
It was 39.30.
Oh, yesterday. I thought you meant today. I was
No, yesterday.
Hey, Alberto, Q puts? No, I'm not touching Q puts.
We might have to start filtering in C's texts and comments into the top Tick Tommy profile.
Yeah. How do you say top Tick Tommy in Spanish, C's?
Top Tick Tomas.
How do you say it, C's?
Top would be, it depends. If you're saying it as like, you can say arriba or más. It depends on what context you're saying top in.
Hey, Mucky.
El punto superior Tomás.
The daily ES
like
candle
called like the top
and daily SPY candle are extremely bullish. This is exactly what we wanted to see from these last lines of support. If you would have bought any of those levels that I posted in the analysis yesterday, you would have bottom ticked almost every index. You would have bottom ticked IWM. You would have not bottom ticked Qs, but you would be positive if you did. SPY, you would have damn near bottom ticked. And Dow Jones, you would have damn near bottom ticked.
Clueless.
What's up?
EEENF, baby.
I'm not filled on that fucking thing, dude.
15%, baby.
I tried to get filled. I'm fucking not filled.
Nice. Dude, it's been going up. Not through all this shit. It's been up every.
Dude, it had these massive like down wicks on the opening bell. So I put in like a stink bid trying to get filled on like a morning bell fucking nuke. And it hasn't done it since.
I'm up 44% on EENF. They need a new name.
That shit's doing good, man. I'm
We're calling it Triple E from now on.
Nice.
Deja, if we bottom here as well, we just put in a higher low.
Yeah,
On the,
We have to bottom here. There's no choice. If it doesn't bottom
Yeah.
here, it's fucking nuking. These are the last lines of support. There's nothing left.
Tomás del tic superior.
Wait until EEENF fucking says they found their oil. Oh boy.
Tomas.
Hey, Tomas, don't talk about EEENF because if you talk about it, they'll find nothing.
Yeah. It was just muddy water.
The miners are out of luck.
Yeah.
Like, well, sometimes you're wrong.
Sticky, you in here?
Me? Yeah.
So how does this? So this isn't like an actual credit card. This is like
It's
a
a
debit
it's a
card.
it's a prepaid Visa basically with rewards. So
But you have to
you can get
prepay
up to
with
8%
crypto.
cash back on it.
But you prepay with crypto.
Yeah, so I convert my crypto to USD and then fund the card.
What does the cashback come into? It converts into a coin.
Yeah, CRO, which in the last like 3 months has gone up almost 200%, which has been good.
Damn, dude,
for
the leverage
contract.
ETFs. You could have bought the bottom on those things. TNA was down to 75, now it's at 83.
I think DIA looks the best out of all of them.
Yeah.
Look at this candle at the bottom.
Yeah, the level that it tested, what was it? 321 and 321.50. Really good level. I think it's a pivot. Oh, it's the OTS trail. OTS trail gave you a buy signal.
Was Penn getting added to the S&P 500 like a top?
Penn is the number one holding of Dow Jones.
Wow. Is it coming back at all?
Actually, sorry, I always confuse the two. Penn is the number one holding of IWM. Number one holding of Dow Jones is United Health.
Now it's in SPY though.
It can be in both.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant.
PLTR is back into that fucking falling wedge. I might have puss hands my 22 puts.
Fucking love that term, puss.
I'll
hands.
probably get max profit tomorrow, but it's not worth it, dude. I'm not buying PLTR shares at 22. Not how many shares I would have had to buy, no thank you. SMH is getting a lot of calls today, the semiconductor index. Nice little piercing candle. Almost everything is a piercing candle today, which is pretty bullish. Like I said, now that I think it was IWM, right? That just paid dividends? Yeah, so every index has paid dividends now. So quad witching is over, almost. Got about a day left for the week after quad witching to be over. And then we have all the indexes paying their dividends. They're all over. So dividend week is over. So the narrative is strong. We can go up next week. That's about all I got left for you guys, though. If we don't go up next week, I don't have any more hopium. Actually, the last hopium is the lunar cycle. I think we have a full moon coming up. That's all I got for you guys. The lunar cycle is it.
Cycle will save us.
Yo, Clueless, what's this foundation?
Foundation. What do you mean? Oh,
Is that
we're
like-
talking about the website, the NFT website.
Yeah.
I don't. I've been there. It just seems like even more like user based than OpenSea almost.
Like it
haven't
seems
gotten
like a
anything
lot
on
of
it.
people are trying to get, because I guess you got to get invited to it. You can't just make an account.
Oh, I didn't even know that. there's a guy I found on like Instagram whose stuff was fucking amazing, man. And he was on there and he was like, not really selling that well. And I'm like, dude, what are you doing? Why don't you like get on some other sites and stuff? Like, you're being lazy, But apparently that shit's picking up now. Of course, there's more hopium today. Tomorrow might be ugly. Although it's Friday, like volume is probably gonna be low either way.
So far on SPY, all this was a retest of VWAP.
Jesus, fucking stressful one.
Yeah. It's still above the wedge, too. It's actually really fucking clean, but I don't want to give it too much hope.
I know. It's just looking at.
It's extremely clean.
I don't even want to talk about it.
Yeah.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Right.
Take it easy.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
How Mexicans say it, take it easy.
Dude, fucking AABB is ripping as well.
Oh, I wish I was stealing that shit. Oh no, that's the one. That's the crypto you like, right?
No, that's a penny.
Yeah, no, it's a crypto stock backed by physical gold in
Yeah,
Mexico.
yeah. It's funny, your pennies have held up. Go fucking figure, bro. Nice
Yes,
work.
sir.
Nice fucking work.
Dude, I took this picture of Luca. He looks so fucking funny in this picture. He looks like he's old and like he's literally fucking pissed off. Hold on, let me try to find this thing.
Turn it into an NFT.
Dude, it's so funny.
Is it the one you just posted?
No. Look
Yeah.
at this picture. Like, I don't know why it looks so funny. Look
Oh
at
yeah,
him.
that one is hilarious. Bro, he's gotten so big so fast.
Look at how fat he looks and how pissed he looks in that picture.
He looks like he's like, why the fuck haven't you fed me yet?
Yeah, he looks fat as fuck in that picture.
Like, where the fuck is my food? That is hilarious.
It's not just his bottom body, like his face and everything. He just looks fat as hell.
Yeah, look, like he's got his rolls hanging over his harness, his chin. He's got like 8 chins.
Dude, that look just makes you feel like shit when you haven't hung out with him all day.
Yeah, he's like, what the fuck are you doing?
Play with me, dude. Why are you taking pictures?
Always looks so pissed, but that picture just fucking. He looks miserable.
He looks like that, like the miserable cat.
I don't think I've seen that.
The butt plug cats.
No. I'll show you.
Butt plug cats. Grumpy cat.
The things that Sticky sent you in DMs, the
Oh.
NFTs, those things look
No.
ridiculous, dude.
Yeah, grumpy cat, that one. He does look like that.
Yeah.
That cat's fucking famous.
Rest in peace.
What did that cat die?
Yeah, recently, I think, last year. Charlie, pretty sure it did.
days yet.
What's up?
Got something. I'm seeing it on like the penny stocks.
Yep.
I'm thinking, not sure. KAVL. It's bouncing off the weekly OTS trail.
Oh yeah, it is. Nice buy signal.
Okay.
It's got good volume, but the volume's bearish. Is the problem.
Hold on, I'm not sure if this penny is Illinois Red approved.
Yeah, it doesn't look too good. It's got a daily pivot at 136 that it's holding on to. But if you lose that, it's going to literally bleed to like fucking 80 cents. You're trying to knife catch basically.
Okay,
Mm.
that's what I figured.
Yeah. It doesn't look terrible, but there's nothing below you. AMC wasn't doing too bad today, Gars. Had a pretty good day. I think GameStop was up pretty big too. Look at where GameStop bounced too. If you guys have the pivots, highly recommend using them on GameStop. It's absolutely disgusting. It basically called the bottom of this move like to the penny. And then look at where it topped out here, damn near to the penny on the top. And then look at the 4 hour. Called the bottom right here to the penny. And then called the bottom there to the penny. So make sure you're using those levels. GameStop back above the 4 hour pivot, which is around like 170. And we're bouncing off the daily pivot at 117. Could just be a gap fill, so a little scary. We did just fill the gap, so now we need it to stay above the gap. Nice little bull flag it's breaking out of here, though. A little ascending triangle popping up, a little consolidation. So as long as it stays above like 170, which is that 4 hour pivot, it could definitely go higher. Which is weird because GameStop usually runs when the market's not doing too good, but the market's doing pretty good today. GameStop's still running. Same thing with AMC, back above a 4 hour pivot. You got another pivot above you, also have a gap fill above you. So watch for these gaps. You got a gap around 12 and a quarter and then 13.85. Look at the VIX candle today, absolutely hammered.
Good.
The daily is a massive inverted hammer. You still have a gap fill to complete on VIX, down to like 1750, so we still have room to run. Silver is really testing us here. It's not fucking doing anything. We also need PLTR to find some buyers. Little bottoming pattern here on the 15 minute. 5 minute flipping as well. Yeah, exactly, Agars. We need real buyers to step in on PLTR, not just Kathy. I agree.
Unless she buys a lot.
Yeah, which she's buying like little tiny chunks. We need her to fucking ape in.
Yeah. She did like one day she aped in pretty hard, and then she's buying little bits since. But I don't even remember where that was on her list. I don't even think it was in their top 10.
Yeah.
I haven't looked in a while, but
Yeah, I think she's like just now starting a position.
yeah, I mean, good place to.
Yeah. What are the bonds doing today? They're actually green. Yeah, AMC had some choppy moves yesterday. SPY bouncing perfectly off a 4-hour pivot. That's a double 4-hour pivot too. The 4-hour pivots on SPY, all the blue ones, they've been very accurate lately. You had a couple come in a little early here, but that one led to a strong bounce. This one kind of topped out a little bit. Pretty much besides this one, because that one gave you a strong bounce. What do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last 6 blue candles. 7, 8. That one's a loss. So 9. That one gave you a strong bounce. So out of the last 10, maybe 2 of them did not see strong bounces. So it looks pretty good. Possible bulldog on PLTR? What do you mean? The high time frames or low time frames? What's scaring me about PLTR is the way it failed this pivot. There was a daily pivot and a 4-hour on the same exact level. And you also had like this pivot back here holding you down. And now it looks like a head and shoulders.
Not good.
15-minute? Yeah, you could be a little bulldog. Got to break through the cloud. The 1 second chart looks bullish. Yeah, really. Could be a bulldog on 5-minute cues too if this pullback holds here. It's actually pretty clean.
IWM's ripping, dude.
Yeah, it's going
Those
up.
puts are getting slaughtered, you saying? Fucking,
Those calls are fucking paying.
what, somebody bought the bottom?
I didn't buy the bottom, but I bought calls at close yesterday.
Calls on what?
IWM. Straight YOLO calls.
You're up on those now, right, Sticky?
Yeah. Not
YOLO.
much, but I'm up.
All the dividends are paid, man. Let's fucking go up.
I bought some for next Friday at the bottom this morning too.
Nice.
You still holding all that shit that you said you bought this morning, balls?
Which the
Or
puts?
did you say you bought puts or did you buy calls?
I bought a puts on SPY while I was at work, and then it immediately started going up, so I sold it when I got off and
Not a bad idea.
bought some calls. I was down like 25% today, but I'm only down 7% now.
Nice. Yeah, I think I'm up like 3. Let me see. Yeah, I'm up about 3. Made back everything I lost yesterday. You guys gonna hit me up with some music that's not gonna get me fucking banned on YouTube. I hate that ever since I started YouTube, well now Twitch does it too. But you basically can't play any music anymore. It's ridiculous. The music industry is just so fucking stupid. They don't understand.
Mark,
What's up?
I was saying Mark Cuban made an NFT website,
Yeah, he made some punks or something for his team too.
lazy.com.
But the music industry doesn't understand how much free marketing they get from streamers fucking playing their. Obviously, people like me don't really matter, like 30 viewers, but like fucking big streamers, tens of thousands of viewers, and they don't let them play their music on stream. Are you kidding me? How stupid do you have to be?
They lose all that ad money.
Yeah, but dude, it's like free marketing. Like if I used to find so much music like watching like Nick Merck stream because he used to play music that I didn't listen to. I was like, oh, this shit slaps, and then I'd go play it on Spotify. Like imagine that times 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. You kidding me?
This lazy.com wants me to connect my MetaMask.
They're worried about losing a few streams because he's listening to it on stream. Makes no sense. Yeah, but balls, does that say non-copyrighted? Like they're not gonna slap me on YouTube? Do you guys play Rust? No, I don't play Rust. I played it like when it very first came out with my friends, like fucking years and years ago. That was about it.
I think the only thing copyrighted about that video is the footage from Final Fantasy. But it's just like lo-fi hip-hop beats.
Yeah, but that shit's copyrighted. Like I tried to use lo-fi on stream and they banned me. Or they banned the video.
Well, that fucking sucks.
Yeah, it's really dumb. I even searched like non-copyrighted music. And I used to play like non-copyrighted piano music and they still blocked me.
Yeah, I was gonna say, throw on some fucking Mozart or
That's what I used to listen to all the time on stream is piano music. And then I tried a bunch of different playlists and they kept fucking banning me.
Who owns the rights to that shit?
I have no idea. It's because YouTube makes it really easy. So like if somebody is playing your content, it tells you. YouTube has an algorithm. Like if somebody stole like my stream right now and tried to play it on another stream, YouTube has an algorithm that sees that and it tells you, do you want to copyright strike this?
Goddamn robots, dude.
Yeah. Only on certain days, Mucky. If we're making a lot of money, I'll fucking listen to music. There's just a lot of downtime on stream here because I can't do anything on my monitor because you guys are watching my stream. And there's nothing playing in the background because it's on stream, so they'll ban me.
Supposedly this is just a way to like showcase your NFTs. I don't think you could sell them here.
Subs made an all-time low today. Actually pretty close. CCL recovering from that bad news. You have earnings coming up next week.
Dude, if IWM just double bottom, this will be legendary.
Just paid dividends too. It's priced in.
Fucking legendary.
Did you get in as well, JMA?
No.
Just you and me, Sticky.
Fucking YOLO, baby.
Damn, this Rolex is fire. Let me send you a tweet. Look at this Rolly. It's an Oyster Perpetual Date Just.
That's the one I bought my dad.
Yeah, that thing is fire. That same color.
It's stainless steel.
Yeah, but I mean like the face. The faces have different colors.
Yeah. No, the face doesn't. It's just like a.
Oh, it's all stainless steel.
silverish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
It's the same. That same watch.
that same watch is nice, dude. Really nice.
You got that, Jamie?
No, I bought my dad that.
Nice.
I'll show you guys on stream. Sorry.
What's that, a date just, Jamie?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a beautiful watch. How does plug look? Let's take a look. Pretty damn ugly. Nasty trend. It's almost got a falling wedge, but it looks almost like a... Looks more like a channel.
I think Blink's earnings are after hours.
Yeah, blink might affect plug. If you take the wicks here, it's really ugly. I hate leaving a lot of space. But that is kind of a falling wedge. You did fill all these gaps. So all these gaps here are filled. That's good. You lost that pivot. See if I can draw a little straighter.
A lot more calls coming in today than puts for opening orders.
You do have a bunch of pivots down here on plug, 4 hour and daily. That's pretty good. That means there is some value down here. Yeah, you're kind of in the middle of this massive support. So not too bad, but you could go a lot lower. You've got more support around 28, more support around 24. I wouldn't be too bullish until you get back above like 36. Is the market going to crash? I don't think so. It looks pretty good today. Got to see how it reacts tomorrow. So far, the bounce is pretty strong. How much are we up from the lows? About 1.5%. That's not bad. Oh, that's nice, balls. That's really nice. I like the hands. How much is that one? Like 12?
I'm guessing like 8 to 10.
Waiting for my buddy to finish a case that he's working on. I had a friend that got in a real bad car accident, and I referred him to my other friend that's a PI lawyer. It's a massive case. After he settles that, get a little envelope, and I'm gonna buy a rollie.
Nice.
Hey, sorry, I was away from my computer. It's 29,000, I think.
Jesus Christ. Why the fuck is it 29?
Fucking dudes.
I don't know, Bamford collection maybe.
Or most
Yeah,
rollies.
I've never seen that piece.
Most rollies are like fucking what, like 8 to 15?
Nah, I don't think so.
It all depends on the metal, man.
Well, I mean like the norm, like not the super fancy fucking high collections.
The
Yeah, your
cheapest Rolly that you're
entry
gonna
or
find is probably like 7,500.
Yeah, like the entry level
$8.
rollies, like the normal rollies, not like the high class fucking.
yeah,
And
and
I don't
15, 8 grand to like 20, I guess, is like an entry level one probably.
and I
Yeah.
don't know
I
how the
would say,
market is
right?
right now. Like last year was like really hard to get. It was you know, like even the used Rolexes were selling for more than new ones.
Yeah, it's the used ones are ranging like 25 to 36,000 right now.
Jesus
Yeah, so it's
Christ.
still hard to get them. I got a plug.
How long has that company been around?
Long motherfucking time.
There was a book you recommended on stream. Can you name it? I got a few books. Getting Started in Candlestick Charting by Tina Logan. A Beginner's Guide to Day Trading Online. I'm trying to look at my bookshelf. 1 second. Tony Turner. Contrarian Investing by Galia and Patalon. What else do I have on here? I don't have it with me, but Markets and Profile is very good. Markets and Profile by Dalton.
Yeah, that is a good one. That's like an OG finance book.
Yeah.
I ended up getting my dad's Rolly for fucking 5,200 out the door cash.
Jesus. That one that we posted?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's fire, Jay, man.
yeah.
That's a nice price for
I
that
know.
watch.
That's disgusting.
20% off due with no tax.
And he could turn that thing tomorrow if he wanted to. He won't
Oh,
because you
yeah.
gave it to him as a gift, but he could get rid of that thing for fucking at like 3 grand, 4 grand, probably easy.
It's just like right now they're so hard to find. Like even the one that I told the guy to look for me, he still hasn't gotten back to me. It's been months.
Taking it a day at a time, man. I don't know what the market's going to do next week. Market's too crazy
get
right
that,
now. You got to
seed
take it
wallet.
day by day. It looks good right now, so I think it's going to look good tomorrow. I think it's going to look good on Monday.
Connor, you see the Sea Dweller with the black face with the red Rolex, with the red text?
Oh, that sounds
Yeah.
fucking nice.
That's the one. That's the one I want.
The Sea Dweller is what I'll end up buying for my first one. It'll
The
probably
dude's been-
happen next 3 months. I'll probably buy it.
Dude's been looking for months, dude.
Is it in chat, JMA?
No, I'm not at my channel. I gotta find the. Let me get to my computer.
That
Gotta
sounds
post it.
nice though, with red lettering.
Yeah, let me see if I could find it.
I was leaning back between the Yacht Master and the Sea Dweller, but I think the Yacht Master is just a little bit too big for my wrist. I mean, you're a pretty big guy like I am too, JMA, but something about how bulky it is if I'm gonna wear it like every fucking day, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like bigger than 42.
Yeah, it makes sense.
I'm not that big though. I'm like 190.
Hell yeah, JMA, I think's clean as fuck, bro.
Yeah. I don't know how much they were selling for, like 14 or 14 and a half. I don't know what they're going for now. I like it. I like it so much. I think this looks so much better. I'm not a fan of like a lot of steel on the watches, but
Nah, you gotta get the bracelet, JMA. Not the rubber one. You gotta get the bracelet and fucking send it.
Yeah, man, you can't have rubber with a Rolex.
Yeah, I used to
I
fuck on
do.
all these motherfuckers that I traded with like back in the day. Because these guys would make enough for like one of these watches in a week. I was like, you motherfuckers making like 8 grand a week and you're coming here with that rubber fucking thing. And I was the youngest guy. They used to shred me up hard.
The rubber looks better with the black, but the silver is just iconic.
The rubber's really for that being a diving watch. Like if you really want to use it when you scuba and stuff.
like the stainless steel bracelet, like I would wear it more if I had the rubber watch. If I had the stainless, the only time I would wear it is if I dress up.
Nah, yo, JMA, you could rock that thing out with cocktails with the lady, dude. Like that bar you were at the other night, fucking 2 weeks ago, having that Manhattan that you were having, fucking rock that thing with a t-shirt on.
I'm
Boss
going
up.
to have another one of those tonight.
Yeah, good man.
Yeah, I've read Trading in the Zone a long time ago. I'm not a fan of the psychology books too much. I'm more of a
Almost up 100% on the IWM
I'm
calls.
more of a technical kind of guy. I like the technical books. But if you are looking for a psychology book, that's the OG one.
Jinxed it. Was almost up.
You just call the top on yourself, Sticky?
Yeah, I did. I've done that twice today.
Psychology is like, I don't know how to describe it. Like the way the brain works, I guess you'd say. The study of how the brain works.
You practice it every day with fibs.
When you're talking about psychology and trading, it's talking about like controlling your emotions.
That's what I
Behavior.
have right now.
But also emotions are attached to the 0.618.
That thing's clean, JMA.
Looks I like the Pasha too. The Pasha looks really good with the black band on it. Yeah, my friend bought that watch when we were in Arizona at that mall over in Scottsdale.
Yeah, I'd look like a fool with that.
You say you would look like a fool with that?
Yeah, my preppy ass would look like a fucking joke with that big black band on my wrist. At least I know it, you know?
No, for sure though. My next watch is gonna be that Rolly. Like I said, I have the guy looking. I told him like 3 months ago. More than that. 4 months maybe.
I don't want to say it, but these closes are not bad.
You said it though.
I did. I have to say it. They're not bad.
It's nice seeing one green position.
You can't blame me. What time is it? C's typed that in Discord before I said it, so blame C's.
Look at the 5-minute cues, Bulldog.
Yeah, I'm watching. Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking at on stream. Super clean.
You know, I said that I was going to get more of my actual job done.
You didn't get anything done?
I've just been in my backyard for the last 2 hours working on my lawn.
Dude, I've been so mad. I had this fucking guy installing the patio outside all day long. All I hear is him backing the truck up, using the excavator in the middle of me trying to talk to people.
One of those loud ass beeping trucks.
Oh yeah, dude. You'll hear him in about 2 minutes. He just got back from dumping a load of gravel off.
Nice. One of the last jobs I did with my dad a few years back, we went to this one guy's house because he needed some holes dug for the post for his like little deck he was building. And he told my dad, like, oh no, it's not that bad, just a few holes, nothing big. And we get there, and not only is it like 30 holes, but his fucking backyard is covered in rocks, like small like rocks that are under the ground. So you're just fucking beating away at rocks trying to dig holes in his yard for the fucking deck. My dad told him it wasn't happening. We fucking left after we like dug half the holes and told him we were done.
That sucks. This guy's just a complete hack.
Well, my dad told him like what he was paying us wasn't worth what we actually had to do, and he was like, if you want to pay us what it's worth, we'll do it. But he was trying to hassle my dad on the price the whole time, so he left the holes half dug and fucked off.
This guy does have his little daughter with him because it's like school week.
Yeah.
And he's entertaining her by giving her like bungee ropes, and she's like tying herself to the tree.
Oh god,
it's so funny.
Those things can fuck you up, dude.
Yeah, they can. But I walked outside and I gave her like a couple snacks and a Gatorade, and I was like, yeah, like I was you and my dad was building his business up. Like, here's some snacks. Like, let me know if you need anything else or need to go to the bathroom, you know?
Those bungees will fuck you up. If they're tied on tight to something and you let them go.
Yeah, dude, she's like suspending herself. She's probably only like, I don't know, 6, 7 years old. She's like leaning forward, having these bungees hold her up. I'm like, bro, one of these things is gonna break. Like, this guy's like old ass fucking bungees. It's so funny.
It's the scam market.
Friend that got stuck in a ditch, and his brother came to come pull him out with a fucking pickup truck, and his brother hooked up like this big ass fucking, like a thick bungee cord though, dude. Like one that's meant for that, but it was old and dry, and it snapped and it fucking backfired and shattered his back window.
Was he trying to pull him out with bungees?
Like it wasn't it was hard to, I don't know what it was. It wasn't a bungee cord, but it was kind of like
Yeah,
a bungee
yeah.
cord. And it's like the shit you see in movies where it like backfires and takes out the window.
That's fucking hilarious.
Laughing so fucking hard. He was so pissed.
Wow, what a day for GameStop. Holy fuck.
Yeah, it's not doing bad.
Dragging motherfuckers up.
Even after bad earnings.
Fucking AMC's ripping. You know what else is ripping? Ruby. Might as well just throw that bitch into goddamn meme stocks.
People are greedy when the market is just going straight up, basically, and you're seeing nothing but calls coming in, like no puts. People are just bullish across the board. That's typically when they're greedy. FOMOing into things they shouldn't be buying. Basically, look at the top a few months ago on every index. That's greed.
A lot of Tilray calls coming in. Is Tilray moving right now?
Dude, it's crazy how fucking small that excavator looks next to that fucking boat.
Yeah, dude, wild.
Wow. Dude, they should just hit that thing with a fucking missile.
It'd probably fucking be easier to clean up the wreckage than move the boat.
Dude, that guy is gonna get shit canned.
It's probably a pilot captain too. It's probably actually not the captain.
I mean, they
That
can't
guy's
really
done.
blame those guys very much because, like I said, most of those ships are run almost all on automation.
Yeah, but they can manually fucking move it if there's an emergency.
Yeah, that boat was 100% manually moved into that fucking side piece. Like, there's no way the computer did that.
That guy's gonna fucking.
He's costing the world billions of dollars.
They're gonna call the Ream team on him for sure.
There has to be a calculation on how much money the world is losing on a day-to-day basis.
They said $9 billion yesterday.
On a day-to-day basis, or just yesterday?
$9 billion a day.
Jesus
shipping.
Christ!
Where would you lose more
guy.
money? The Suez Canal or the Panama Canal being blocked?
Probably Suez, right?
Suez, I'd
Yeah.
assume it's a much bigger canal. Yeah.
What's up,
Well,
boys?
What's going on?
Yes and no. The route around the south of Africa is not that bad. Like the route around the south of South America is like impassable almost. So
That's
the
true.
Panama
There's like no way to
Canal-
fix it.
Yeah, the Panama Canal went like that's fucked. Suez, I actually saw an analysis that if a lot of the freighters just took the Cape route instead of the Suez Canal, they would actually save a shit ton of money, just because of like all the gas and everything that they use just sitting there and waiting to go across.
What sucks too is that like how many people are stopped. Like it's not easy to back up, turn around. You know what I mean? Because there's so many people behind you, and then behind them, and then behind them.
Imagine working on one of those boats.
Those guys don't care. They're getting paid.
Hazard pay.
You think so?
Oh, of course. They get paid the whole time that they're on those boats.
Well, I
would
mean,
love
like,
that shit.
you think they get paid a lot, or is it like slave labor?
No, they get paid bank, dude. I was saying yesterday, my buddy does that for a living. He makes a ton of fucking money.
I'm sure it's like the oil guys. They fucking make bank. Like the guys who actually go out and work on the rigs.
Yeah, there's a lot of people in BC that do that. They head over to Alberta. Fucking work 1 year, come back with a brand new truck.
Yeah, they buy everything. They come back and fucking buy everything.
Those guys on that boat right now are loving it. They're sitting there probably watching fucking TV, fucking
Hacking darts, just fucking
Yeah.
shooting the shit.
jerking off, doing whatever they want to fucking do. Burn time.
You saying it's a better career than being a WoW gold farmer?
Chinese gold farmer.
Probably doing that on the boat right now.
Yeah. Have some fucking monitors set up.
Fucking little passive income on the side.
See, that chart
Nothing
does
wrong with
look
that.
really good.
Got 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left.
Can SPY selling off right at the end. Didn't want to close above 390.
We need fucking Qs to stay above 310. It's at 311 right now.
Down for IWM to do another 2%er tomorrow.
So Q's actually closed above 310 here. That's not bad.
Almost all the indexes closed green.
You lost. You're failing a 1 hour pivot here on Qs. That's not good. But all of our levels that I posted yesterday told you guys that these are the must hold levels. They all held. SPY held beautifully. NASDAQ held 310. Or Qs did. Russell held the 2100. Dow Jones held that level literally spot on. 31,940 was the level I gave you guys. I gave that, I think it was not yesterday, a couple days ago. I gave the Dow level yesterday at 321. So all those levels held. So we look pretty strong. If we see some follow through tomorrow, it doesn't look bad.
I'm just hoping we don't see those like $20 million in IWM puts come through after the freaking close.
I don't understand, why are those coming through after the close when you can't trade options after the close? Like, why is Cheddar Flow showing all those after the bell? Oh, never mind. Indexes. Sorry, never mind.
Yeah, indexes.
Never mind. Yeah. I always forget you can trade indexes 15 more minutes. Yeah, definitely, Mucky. When you're just getting started in trading, you want to be having some way to journal your trades. I used to use like a massive Excel sheet to journal my trades. Now that I have the Discord and I have the stream, I just kind of use that as my journal.
So many IWM puts coming in right now.
No way, bro. I was just talking about that.
Yeah,
Are you serious?
It's jinxed us.
One just came in for 3 million.
Freaking A, man. God,
No,
again.
bro.
Every time.
3,369K, 568, 313, 165. Another
these
one
all
for
puts?
206. All puts.
Fuck this.
Another
shit.
one just came in. They're not stopping. 521, 203 puts. Another one just came in.
I hope they get fucking necked tomorrow.
Big block trades coming in on Q's, bearish too. Bearish block trade trading at 311.
Another one on an IWM. It's the same guy.
I was about to say it's probably the same Jack.
Guy is loading up.
Guy's making bank, dude.
He got murdered today, but fuck.
Another one just came in.
Altogether, how much is it? Like about 10 million or something?
3 mil plus about 400K. Dude, they're all over the place. Here. Another one just came in.
Jesus.
Those aren't all opening though, right?
No,
Like, I'm
the
just seeing-
3 mil
I'm just
one was
seeing
opening
the-
order though.
Yeah, that's the one I'm seeing is opening.
I mean, is this guy just straight up guessing that it's going to tank? I mean,
No,
People betting $3 million
there's
are
no,
guessing.
yeah, no guessing when that guy's putting that much money in for the past like 2-3 weeks.
Is it more likely it's a hedge though?
I don't think so. Not if because this is like the third or fourth time he's done this.
well, what does he know that we don't?
I wish I knew. If I knew, he wouldn't know anything I don't know.
he knows that every freaking rip gets faded for like the last 3 weeks.
He's probably betting that GameStop is gonna nuke or some shit, and all the other small caps. Also, cruises went fucking ham. I don't know how. If thought they got banned.
Yeah, recovered.
Another one just came in.
It's interesting how it's always after hours too. Like it's always.
Well,
right
that
after
shows
the-
that it's a big guy.
Another big one just came in for another 3 million.
It shows that it's like a fund because retail traders don't trade after hours, really.
And they don't take $3 million positions.
Yeah.
So he's got 6 million now wrapped up in these, in just 2 orders.
And that's just today.
Yep.
He's done this for 3 or 4 days.
He's adding to his fucking position, dude.
Are they far out or are they close?
206s,
No, I mean like date wise.
521.
They're all 521 basically.
Yep.
What is 521? May 21st.
May 21st.
206. Oh, he's buying puts. Yeah, yeah. I can see him loading up. Yeah. Look at the 210s, massive volume. 206s, massive volume. 203s, fucking huge volume. 200s, massive volume. The which ones? The 203s have 51,000 volume today. Their open interest is only 16,000. So it's tripled it's more than tripled its open interest. That's probably that guy.
Yeah, he's 2 more just came in.
And I don't even know if that's counting after hours.
People are tailing him right now with some
Oh,
big
it
orders.
is. It is counting after hours, dude. It's at 60,000 already. It just went.
Another one just came in.
It just went up another 10K.
Yep. People are tailing him right now.
Yeah, that's freaking concerning. I was really hoping today we didn't see that because we've been seeing that like pretty dang consistent.
Yeah, look at the 203s. If you're gonna follow this guy, that's what I would trade.
Those are the ones coming in right now. That just came in.
Yeah, it's at 60,000 almost.
Another one for $1 million. Another $1 million order on the 206s.
So the volume does count after hours.
Another order on the 206s for 108K.
Hope this guy gets wrecked.
I mean, he's got enough time, like JMA said. I think he's just building,
dude,
this position, looking for a larger drop.
Dude, the 203 puts have more volume than every single call contract today combined, easily. You could times it by like 10, and it still has more volume.
What's up, Deja?
What's going on?
Just woke up.
Yeah, don't look at these puts coming in on Jitter.
What is this?
On SPY?
Hey Josh, what's going on, man? IWM.
There's always puts coming in on IWM, and they've been wrong all year.
Well, lately they've
been wrong
right.
the last 2 weeks.
No, his first pair was wrong. His second pair was not. These ones we haven't seen yet. The second ones that came in were damn near on the top.
Well, IWM has been down the last 3 days. Today's the first day.
Yeah.
So he's made money.
It's back up after market, though.
It looks bottomed as fuck, to be
No,
honest.
it does look bottom. That's why it's crazy he's putting so much volume in these.
Is it more than the guy that was doing call sweeps yesterday? Jamie?
Yeah, for
yes,
sure.
I think so.
Dime, we were talking about this on Twitter a while ago. I mean, what do you think this could be? Could this be some sort of weird spread or something? Because we've seen so many big
Another
blocks
one.
like this on IWM before. Like, it's
600K.
kind of suspect.
It could be people just hedging.
Yeah, but why would you hedge
They're
60 days out? Like he's hedging 60 days out with a 30 delta.
Because he's playing the IV.
Which options?
Yeah, but
are
you would
looking
think
at? The
if he was
521s?
hedging that much that we would see some huge buy orders coming through too, and we haven't really.
Or at least some block trades or something. He's buying the May 21st puts on IWM. 203s, 206s, 209s.
What a
Well,
weird
maybe he's
place
not
to buy
hedging an
those.
IWM long position. Maybe he's hedging with a stock position or against a stock position, not IWM.
Can you see if they're like? Are you assuming these are all naked, or could they just be a part of like a diagonal or something?
There's never really any way to know.
Yeah, you can't tell. I mean, well, the only way to tell is if you saw the same, about the same size coming in for something else, like call side or put side.
Okay.
Dark
Either
pool
way,
order for
it's a
Cameron.
really, really stupid place.
No, I agree. He's literally doing it on a VWAP bounce.
216.64. There was $228 million in shares on IWM. I don't know if that's bought or sold.
What is he buying? He's buying the 203s.
Back above
206s.
217 now.
He's buying a lot of the two. He's buying way more of the 203s.
That's not him though. I don't think that's
I think
him.
it has to be, dude. It's 60,000 volume.
Like the size of the orders though are on the 206s.
Yeah. The 203s have triple the volume of the 206s.
Deja, did you see my my meme?
Which one?
This one. I'll put it in the voice chat.
Oh, yeah, I did. That's funny. Yeah, I was saying, it looks so crazy how big that ship is.
It is. It's huge. I wanted to look at industrial transports to see if any of them nuked, because in 6 months this won't be an issue, but right now it sucks.
Those 203s are technically undervalued by $100.
I suspect like a lot of air freight would be happening more now because of that. So you'd like want to get into like DHL or something.
That's like the most hilarious thing I've seen in a while, honestly.
Yeah, look at
You guys-
DHL. It's up.
You guys see that they pulled up his map and everyone's laughing.
Yeah, he drew a
'cause they say
penis.
He drew like a freaking penis.
Yeah.
The guy's just one giant meme.
Yeah.
Wait, what happened?
The ship drew a penis before it got stuck.
Like if you pull up the chart map of like where the ship went, he literally drew like a freaking penis and balls before he got stuck.
He was hired by some government. But alright, guys, on stream, I'm going to call it on that. Appreciate you guys being here as always. Same time tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern. I'll be streaming again. I'll be releasing some analysis in Discord today. All the levels that I posted yesterday played out beautifully. So if you guys watched those levels on the indexes, you should have made some money. You should have felt comfortable during the dip today. I'll post some updated levels as well on the indexes. I'll post some charts on the big tech companies as well, probably around like 9, 10 o'clock. So be on the lookout for that. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a good one. Peace out.